What's up guys, welcome back. So first of all, if you're wondering what these boxes are for, they're just my parents' boxes of their iPhones and AirPods and phones, and this iPad over here is my uncle's iPad box, and these Apple Watch boxes are my mom's and dad's and aunt's. So let's get started with the video. Today we're going to be unboxing my dad's new AirPods 2nd generation because today is my mom and dad's wedding anniversary, their 14th anniversary. So congrats to them for that. And my dad's AirPods mic is broken. So my mom got him a new AirPods and he gave his to me. He basically sold it to me, my mom did. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox and set this up. So I'm just going to take this out of the case, and then I need to forget the device and then pair the new one. So I'm just trying to take this out. So there we go. Okay, now let's put this over here. Okay, here are my AirPods now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on my dad's phone and I will forget the device. No! Forget device. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna need some scissors. Okay guys, so I finally got it, so get ready for some ASMR. Love the smell of the new AirPods. So let's open it up. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. And there are the AirPods themselves. Oops. Okay, so up here we have the charger. So let's put this over here. And now get to the AirPods themselves. Never unboxed AirPods before, so I'm gonna put this in my dad's case. Okay, so I need to do something. Okay, so Okay, so it says AirPods, so connect. Now continue. Okay, that was set up. Okay, so now he has JB's new AirPods, so I'm going to disconnect the device right now. So let me just test them out for him. Okay, they work well, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye guys.